I think actually family history is such an important thing. It's one of these things that we stress to the nth degree with our patients. So much so that, it takes them weeks sometimes to gather the information that we want to know, because we want to know, and we give them 10 questions for each member of the family. So your parents, your grandparents, your aunts and uncles, your siblings, we want to know everything. Do they have high blood pressure? Do they have high cholesterol? Do they take this medication? Did they take that medication? What was their cognitive function like in the last decade of their life? What type of cancers did they have? Did they have low bone density? Do they have osteoporosis? I mean, we really want to understand every detail about it. And I think a big part of the reason why is, contrary to what maybe people believe, a genetic test does not give you that information. So if you and I went out and got a genetic test, and I don't just mean an over-the-counter genetic test like 23andMe, but I'm saying if we went out and got the best whole genome sequence money could buy, we spent thousands and thousands of dollars and literally looked at every one of our 20 to 30,000 genes, we still wouldn't be able to impute from a risk standpoint what you can gather from a very well-collected family history. And the reason for that is most genes by themselves are not deterministic, which really gets to your second question. So if most genes are not deterministic, they need something in the environment to sort of trigger them. Furthermore, most conditions that we care about are polygenic. They get a lot of attention, and they're important to be sure, but the vast majority of things that people care about, cancer, heart disease, dementia, they are not really just related to a single gene. So genes matter, but I think we're going to get the majority of our information by understanding our family history in terms of susceptibility, and the environment matters greatly. And the extension of that is, of course, you have great agency over that.
Yeah. And what is the best methodology for getting the family history in a complete, comprehensive way that's actually going to be
It can be
beneficial?
hard if members of the family are deceased.